We're here at Epcot this afternoon to basically just say farewell to Test Track 2.0. It closes on June 17th to make way for a refurbished version of the ride inspired by World of Motion. And so this is one of the last days before it closes, and so I do have a Genie Plus Lightning Lane for Test Track today, and so we're going to do that real quick. And that's basically all we're going to do today, but I definitely wanted to come check it out before it closed. So let's head on over to Test Track. So over in the background you can hear the Encanto show from the brand new Communicore Hall, which we don't really have time to check out today. We'll come see that another time. But still, over here in the Creation Shop you can pick up your annual pass holder magnet, which I believe is Orange Bird. I already have it, and so I can't get one here today, but it's been available for about a month or so, and I think it's available for another few weeks here in the Creation Shop. One of the fun parts about Test Track 2.0 is that you get to design your car, and then the ride is basically testing that car. So we're going to do this one. You can adjust sculpt, length, width, engine, and then some other things. You have about 4 minutes to do it. And then it basically tells you how it will respond based on what you're doing. And so it's just a fun thing to do to pass the time in line. And then you move on to the styling phase. So you can change the face. Paint, primary black. Make it gray. Which doesn't look like that on the camera, that's interesting. And then graphics, you can put like graphics on it. That's fun. Wheels. Size of the wheels. Huge, small. Just gonna go in the middle. Accessories. Sure, why not? And then that's it. Did that in 2 minutes, about 2 minutes left. And then basically, to get started, you scan your Magic Band right here, or your card. Then you do it, and you take it onto the ride and scan it as you get on the ride. And it's just a fun little element. And so, hopefully there's something fun like that on the next iteration of this ride.
The seatbelt check is around the corner. For your safety, please sit with seatbelt fastened, hands, arms, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Please supervise children. Thank you. La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuida a los niños.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the center. see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. SIM card performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test. Displaying power test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
One of the really fun things about this ride is the post-show. There's all kind of interactive things to do. You can check your score. My score was 198. It won, I think, almost every test on the ride, so that's kind of fun. There's some racing games, and there's an area where you can make commercials featuring your custom car. And then there's like a display room of Chevrolet trying to sell you cars, because Chevrolet is the sponsor of this ride, and that will remain the case with the update. So I'm curious to see what kind of changes they actually make. But I love the ride itself, and so I'm hoping it can get some of the TLC it definitely needs. But also, I'm just looking forward to seeing what's new about it. And there's some photo backdrops and all that stuff. So long, Test Track. See you in about a year. Well, that'll do it for us from Epcot today. As we said, farewell to Test Track 2.0. I'm looking forward to seeing what comes in the future with the new edition. It'll probably be about a year. Probably next summer is when it'll open. But for now, that's it for Test Track. That's it for us today. See you next time. Have a magical day.